Bengasiboni isidingo sokuthi kumele ngikuphoste lokho, but bese ngikwenzile lokho some time ago. Ukunxesezela udadewethu ngokumehlele as umzali, as umama nami. Kubuhlungu. Kodwa-ke intando kaNkulunkulu ingephikiswa. Bengasibonanga isidingo sokuthi lokhu ngikuprove kunina, irregardless ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani phakathi kwami noTumi, or kwenzakaleni kudlulile kumina. Mina into mase ngiyikhulumile isuke isidlulile kumina. Ama-outcomes-ke ukuthi kulandela ini, kwenzakalani, or umuntu uyithatha kanjani, mina ngisuke sengiphumile kuyona, ngoba mina ngumuntu okuthula, ngumuntu futhi obhodlayo. Uma ngabe sengibhodlile futhi kusuke sekudlulile kumina, kuwukuthi nje sisuke sesazi ukuthi simi kuphi about each other. Akusenakuthi ungaze uhlawumbisele ukuthi maybe uyangithanda, maybe umngane wami, cha. Kodwa nje bese ngiwadlulisile amazwi enduduzo. Ngiyabonga.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Asikhuluma with Brave. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button and also smash the like button. We know ukuthi uGogo Skhotseni and uQueen Loli bebane beef nkosi yami ngemva kokuthi uQueen Loli reveal ukuthi uGogo Skhotseni is smashing umpumelelo Mseleku, of which is something that Gogo Skhotseni denied kesana, and bebalokhu badrikana lapha kuma social media platforms nalona show lokhu nalona sha lokhu bekubusy njena ku hectic. So uQueen Loli ngemva kokuthi eveke ukuthi kushone umntwana Gogo Skhotseni uMonda Junior udecide ukuthi abhalele uGogo Skhotseni message asho ukuthi condolences kuye, nokuthi asho nje ukuthi whatever differences they had bakubekele eceleni because naye umntali and uyayiva ale pain alayivako uGogo Skhotseni. Washo nokusho ukuthi uMonde Junior has suffered a lot and now he's in a better place. Washo nje nokusho ukuthi umfisela kuphola enhlitiyweni nkosi yami, and people were saying ukuthi avulungile Queen Loli, avuna enhlitiyo lenhle. Bana abaningi nje instead of ukuthi bamdrege uGail bathi hayibo why now. So bana abaningi bavele basho nje ukuthi cha nempela ulungile, nempela unenhlitiyo lenhle. If it was someone else bekangeke aze ambhalele nokumbhalela message, instead bekojabula kumbona angekho mnanzi o ahlekelwe into lebhlungu nakangaka. So guys, uQueen Loli uhamba uyoposta lesiya screenshot se-message la sibhalele uGogo Skhotseni laphana ku TikTok. Washo ukuthi hayi kokuthi ufila ngazuthi vele bekumele asifake lesiya screenshot, but ufuna abantu bathi ukuthi akasuye inkosi yami muntu lo mubi nalo nolunya. Uthi njena whatever differences or whatever beef she had with uGogo Skhotseni so indlulisile ngelo, so ibekele eceleni, akasekho lapho, because yena uthi indanga zayindlulise uyindlulisile nkosi yami. Yasho nje ukuthi edvudvu emndenini awakhe Gogo Skhotseni Namonde Shange. Please subscribe, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.